Welcome to another short mindfulness exercise. This is called the miracle bend. And for this, we are going to buckle our thumbs and we are going to inhale as the arms go up and exhale as the arms go down. And this is going to bend out any sort of anxiety or negative energy and replace it with calm. So we are going to start with the hands down low and we are going to inhale slowly and arch the back as far as we can, just noticing how the body feels, and then noticing a powerful exhale as we move the arms down. And an inhale up, feeling the back as we arch back and noticing how it feels in the body to exhale down. Thank you.